My name is Christina Hatziemmanuel, and I'm a computer science teacher and librarian in the Worcester Public Schools. We are a district of 25,000 students in the second largest city in New England. I am a busy mom who loves to write Dungeons and Dragons campaigns, build Lego, and teach my child and students how to integrate technology into their everyday lives using the myriad selection of tools that G Suite for Education has to offer. Most recently, I have taken on becoming a Google certified educator with a group of educators from my district, which means I'm currently providing virtual technology trainings and support for the over 100 teachers and staff in my building who are learning how to teach and learn from home while school buildings are closed in these unprecedented times. Because we don't know what will happen in the fall, I've been working to create a Google site that I and other teachers will be able to collaboratively use to present school resources to staff and students.
So, to create a fully collaborative experience for students and staff, I decided to create a Google site for our school. The first thing I did was I changed the theme. I put a nice picture for a nice background so that it was visually pleasing when you first click on it. And then I added a whole bunch of really cool resources through Google. The first thing I did is I went to Insert and I added a YouTube video. This one shows the mobile meals program throughout the city. I also added my calendar, and these are all things that you can find right here under Insert. This is my Google Classroom PD, which looks a little bit sparse right now, but that's because it's the end of the school year. And then finally, I added a Google form that I created. Of course, as always, you create this in Forms. It has all the same abilities as if you were going to email this to people, but now they can just go right on your website, fill out the form, and submit it. And then, of course, they'll get a copy of their responses if they want it, and I will get a copy of all responses. In order to make this useful for the entire school, what I've done so far is I've created a social studies page by going to Pages, hit the plus sign, put in social studies. And in here, I added a whole bunch of other things. So the first thing I have, since they're doing a unit on ancient Rome, is I added a picture carousel that people can go through. I have added a map of Rome currently, so people can you can compare where ancient Rome sites are, in current Rome. And I've also added 3 links. And, this looks really great. It's engaging. It's just a great way to get this information out there. And finally, the most important thing is that you need to click on this to collaborate with other teachers. So I can add other teachers who will be able to actually edit this, and they will each get their own page, and then they can add all of their resources for the school. So everything is condensed into just one really nice website that everyone can use, and that will really get the information out there.